Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and welcome to TinkerHUNT 17. Friends, it's a scavenger hunt in Tinkercad, so let's get cracking. Alright everybody, this is the village of Tinkerville, and I have hidden these 5 characters: the pumpkin, the rocket, Blanky, the celebrating kid, and the unicorn dude in the village of Tinkerville. Your job is to click on the little parts, use F to fit view. When you're inside, you can right click and you can look around. You can also use the view cube to look around and try and find the parts. You can also click on pieces and do Control H to hide them. There are compartments where things can be hidden all over the place. If you want to bring all the parts back, you can click this. If you want to go back to your home view, you can click that as you search for all 5 characters. Now, when you click on yours, you won't be able to see these, but you can always check the notes to find the instructions and also find the people you're looking for. Friends, if you're looking down here, this last note is the celebration of the people that solved it correctly the week before. If you give me a solution in the YouTube comments or in my Google Classroom if you're one of my students, or if you visit my website, HLModTech.com, and submit a solution, I will give you a shout out in next week's video. So the users that get a shout out this week are Ruby, Aviuk, and Drew. They all solved it correctly, and Aviuk has solved 5 straight, which is unbelievably cool. Also, Torito took time to say hi, which I appreciate as well. Friends, really quickly, I want to remind you I do have the website HLModTech.com. If you visit my tab dedicated to Tinkercad, we have got all of the Tinker Hunts listed in one spot. You can just click on them. Friends, when you click on the link to TinkerHUNT 17, I've got all kinds of info, including who the winners were. Once again, you can check it inside. You can also click on the pictures to see who earned a shout out. Now, friends, I do want to remind you that when you do copy and tinker, if you've never used it before, simply choose sign in with Google. When you solve one of these, friends, all you have to do is tell me where you found each piece. You can give me the house numbers however you want. It could be one long sentence, or as Aviuk has done, you can press enter. If you cannot reply to the YouTube video, you can always visit my website and you can use the built-in messaging service to reach out to me almost instantly. And of course, if you're one of my students, you can reply in Google Classroom. Friends, I do also want to quickly remind you about the Designer Showcase. Friends, when you click on these, you can see all of the designs by a user. This is my account. If you switch it instead to latest, boom, you will have TinkerHUNT 17. Just like the other link, friends, when you click on these, make sure you take time to give users reactions so they keep making the awesome things that you're checking out. Friends, I hope you have a ton of fun with this week's scavenger hunt. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or solution, make sure you add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.